If you're looking out your window, wondering if life is passing you by, if you're crying on your pillow, asking for answers to the questions of why, do you ever stop to look around before you let everything get you down? Do you ever stop trying to take control? Have you ever tried just letting go? As long as we're together, we can break the chain. As long as we're together, we can make it through the pain, through the thunder and the lightning of the August rain, of the August rain. Are you going through the motions, hoping and no one sees the truth? Are you juggling your emotions, wondering what you're gonna do? Sometimes it looks so bad, so you keep looking back at what you used to have. The lovers who slipped through the crack. Yeah, yeah, yeah. As long as we're together, we can break the chain. As long as we're together, we can make it through the pain, through the thunder and the lightning of the August rain, of the August rain. As long as we're together, we can break the chain. As long as we're together, we can make it through the pain, through the thunder and the lightning of the August rain, of the August rain, August rain.